Hey there, y'all. Disney D Prince here today with another Monster High unboxing. Today we have got Scaradise Island Frankie Stein. Now, as you can tell, maybe from back there, they're a little messed up in the box. I didn't get to order them. I didn't get to pick them up in store. I had to order them. So, I figured it's just their hair in front of their face, and I'm going to take them out of the box anyway. But they look great. Now, I've already reviewed Heath Burns, because this is essentially his core doll, but this is, I don't know, the 7th or 8th doll for Frankie. But here is their UPC and the item number. And we are going to get them out of the box. Now, they are $17.99. I picked them up on Amazon. So, pretty reasonable. More in line with the budget dolls compared to the core dolls, which are generally about $24. My question is going to be if we got the chest articulation on these dolls or not. Because I wouldn't have been able to tell on Heath because the boys don't get chest articulation. So we're gonna figure that out soon, I think. Okay. So, nope. No chest articulation on the Scaradise Island ghouls. But Frankie looks so cute. Now, they've got the bucket hat on, which is fun. It seems like it's a little big for them, but that's okay. I think I'm actually going to leave it attached because otherwise these hats do not stay on the doll head. As you can see, their shoes are nice, fun sandals. We've got the standard silver leg for Frankie. Now, their outfit, let me show you guys, and ghouls. So, they've got this overshirt with thunderbolts on it. Very cute. And then it's elastic on the back and elastic, or Velcro on the back and Velcro on the pants as well. Their earrings are little lightning bolts. I kind of miss Gen 1 Frankie that had the bolts on their neck. Well, actually, at that point, it was on her neck. Gen 1 Frankie was not non-binary. But they look really cute. I like it. Their hair doesn't really have that box hair quality right now, just because of the hat was keeping everything from getting too crunched. There is a little streak of blue in there, so that is nice. Let's take a look at some of the accessories that we get with Frankie. So we get a volleyball, which is probably like a ghoulie ball or something. Scaradise Island has not popped up in the show yet. As far as I'm aware, I am still a couple episodes behind. They've got a nice little beach bag that is actually usable. We love that. It's a fun little mold. They didn't really paint much on this, but again, this is more of in line with a budget doll. So you don't really expect too much at that price point. Again, a fun little pina colada kind of looking thing. And in the bottom of a pineapple with a skull. It's got a finger grip, which is nice. You can always paint these to make them more detailed, but I love the molds that we get. Okay. My goal is to pop this out. Okay. So this is the little sunglasses that you get with them. And let's see how well they actually go on them. Can't tell why you're not going over the ear. Okay, it's trying to roll away. Okay. Very cute. Not always the easiest to work with on the glasses side of things, which we find out more often with like Gulia, considering she's normally styled with glasses. I probably wouldn't style Frankie with glasses, just because their face is so pretty in this face-up. But it's very cute, the way they designed this doll. I always wish for matching, though. But I like how they did bring in the blue. So we're gonna take a look at them. Again, you can remove hands in Monster High. It is a little trickier than it used to be because they tried to make them more stable. But again, always grip by the joint, never by the fingers. And you should be in pretty decent shape. So we'll put our hands back in. And they are ready to go to Scaradise Island. I do like how she actually has more, or they actually have more of a neck on this doll. Normally Frankie has a very short neck in Gen 3. This doll actually has decently sized neck. I was doing so good until I misgendered the doll. So close to a whole video without doing it. I'm trying. But they are a very pretty doll. I do wish we got more side glances from Gen 3. The straight facing faces are fine, but I need them to serve a little bit more. But this doll looks great, and at $17.99, it's not a horrible deal. I do wish that this wasn't an issue with the less articulated bodies, considering it's a slippery slope to taking away our knee articulation on the budget dolls. So, in my opinion, the budget dolls should only have more budgeted fashion and hairstyling and accessories, not less articulated bodies, because you're making the bodies already. But that's just in my opinion. But all in all, I love Frankie. They are serving non-binary realness for the beach right here in some shorts and a sports bra top. It's great. So if you guys have any questions on Frankie, let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed it, leave me a like, and as always, follow along for some more spooky season fun. Be good, y'all. Bye.